Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to share your Facebook avatar. So this will be for Android, iPhone and same type of process on your computer as well. Whatever device you're using, it's going to be the same type of process throughout. So first of all, you're going to want to get to the settings menu as I've got up right here. If you're on the Facebook app, this is going to be at the bottom right for most of you. It could be at the top right, but you just want to click on those three little lines. That's going to be like the settings menu. Click on that, then you want to click on avatars once you get there. You might have to scroll down and click see more if you can't see it, or if you don't have it at all, you might have to wait for it to roll out on your device. But click avatars, and once you've got that, it's going to load for a few seconds. And then once you see this here, if you already haven't created an avatar, you need to create one first, obviously. But once you've done that, you want to click on the top right with the little arrow, then click share to feed. It will load for a few seconds, and then it will give you like 3 different picture options. You can pick whichever one you want to, and then you'll be able to make like a Facebook post based off of so you can say click share on that, and then you'll be able to say like what's on your mind. You can say hey, it's me, or something like that, and then click post in the top right hand corner once you've done that, and it'll say posted at the top there with the exclamation mark. Then go back into Facebook, and then you'll be able to see this there. It said the person has shared their avatar, and that's it, and that's done. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the Facebook avatars. Got a whole video there of doing everything you want to know within the Facebook app. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.